if, syempre, basta,
Yak ka na naman sa basta.
kasi ayoko
Teka.
talaga sabihin.
Pwede ba tayo maggawa ng 10 commandments pag nag-uusap tayo?
Ano?
Unang-una, bawal na yung word na basta.
Oh, grabe, ayoko!
Pangalawa, bawal mang iwan. Kailangan may formal goodbye.
Grabe, bakit?
Pangatlo, never change topic. Pang-apat, huwag mag-iisip ng pagkain dahil #1 distraction yun.
What if ko to?
Pang-lima, walang magtatakip ng muka. Pang-anim,
No, ayoko!
eye to eye.
Ayoko!
Pang-pito, talk to me.
Talk to you.
Talk to me on the present. Live on the present.
Para ako na yung
Never
routine ako.
compare
Ako,
sa past.
hindi.
Okay? 8th rule. When you start something, you should finish it. #9, don't be quiet.
10.
10th commandment, follow the 9 rules. Can we have a deal? Say deal. Say deal. Say deal with all your heart.